Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open Kia Niro Bonnet full guide. Start by parking on level ground and set the parking brake. Switch off the engine and remove the key. Locate the interior hood release near the driver's left footwell. Pull firmly until the hood pops. Walk to the front, find the secondary latch under the hood center, push it aside and lift the bonnet, supporting it with the prop rod or gas strut. Use gloves and safety glasses when working near the engine bay to avoid cuts and eye injuries. Check the bonnet latch mechanism for dirt or rust and clean it with a brush and lubricant if needed. If the hood won't release, ask a helper to pull the interior lever while you feel for movement at the latch, or consult a mechanic for frozen or damaged latch components. Always secure the bonnet before working under it. Regularly inspect bonnet hinges, latch springs, and cable routing for wear to prevent future problems. Lubricate moving parts with a silicone spray or light oil every 6 months and replace frayed cables immediately. If your Niro has an electric hood release, check fuses and wiring connections and consult a dealer for diagnostics to avoid accidental latch failure or warranty issues. Keep an emergency toolkit, including pliers and a flashlight in the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.